Yeah, I know. It's infinite. You know, it's like I started this at 12 years old and I haven't stopped and I'm still learning. There, you know, and I learned so much from you just listening to each of you share your stories today. That's the thing about the Kabbalah. Kabbalah comes from the root word likabel, which means to receive. Each one of us is able to receive a direct transmission. And what it is we receive evolves and grows and changes as our awareness evolves and grows and changes. So it's infinite. In ancient Egypt, in fact, they used to have tombs. We all know that. What you might not know is that they would do hieroglyphics from floor to ceiling on these tombs, perfectly chiseled, except they would leave one area undone. And you're looking at this and it's like such perfection, the way every little hieroglyph was just in its place, and now it's like unfinished. It's like, what happened? Did the workers take a break? Did they decide not to come back? And it's like, no. They did that on purpose to imply that the universe is unfinished. It's never done. There's always more. There's always mystery. Always mystery. Which is again why it's so important to me that you receive the capacity to think symbolically rather than learn definitions. Every symbol can be interpreted many different ways, and you might interpret it as courage one day for red, or valor, or passion, or blood. It can be interpreted in any different way, or anger. It can be interpreted in many different ways. It depends, and you will receive, based on the context, how to interpret it in this moment. So we talked about the aces, and we have the wands, which are the intuitive. We have the cups, which are about the emotional. We have the swords, which are about the mental. And we have the discs, which are about the physical. So we ask ourselves, whenever we are interpreting a card, what is the spiritual lesson or the purpose? On the emotional level, we ask, what is the value? Or how does this move or motivate in my life? Am I being motivated by desire or fear? How is this moving or motivating me? At the sword level, you ask, what story am I telling myself? Is it a healing story? Or is it a wounding story? And can I access the creative power of my mind to make a healing story out of whatever this is? And then on the level of the discs, it becomes very concrete. What is this telling me about my body in terms of health, diet, nutrition, or energy? What is this telling me about my finances? What is this telling me about my home or work environment? What is this telling me in general about my energy? And do I want to put my energy in? Is this giving me an energy boost or an energy sink? Do I have passion in terms of sensual or sexual or creative enthusiasm?